Hey everybody, today I will be showing you my wash, detangle, and styling routine for my youngest daughter. So this will give you a few tips about helping to keep a 2-year-old calm and still while trying to do their hair. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I begin by taking out her previous style. And tip number one for helping to do this would be to use conditioner, which I find provides sort of a slip when untangling the braid, especially when you're trying to untangle the bottom of the braid. So even though we haven't washed yet, we're gonna go ahead and rub it all throughout her hair. And I'm gonna detangle with the wide tooth comb now. Another tip is to keep the toys coming. My son is bringing other toys about every 5 minutes or so just to keep her interest. That avoids them getting bored or wanting to get out the tub and whining. Now that it's detangled, I'm gonna add my shampoo and start scrubbing her scalp and the rest of her hair. This would be another tip because not only does the conditioner help to detangle the hair first, but also when you put the shampoo on, it helps to dilute the shampoo, similar to if you're washing with a co-wash. It's just not as harsh on your hair and it doesn't dry your hair out. So here you see us rinsing. My daughter gets really nervous with the spigot running so close to her face, so this is an alternative. We conditioned the hair once again and then rinsed. And now we're ready to get started with our really simple style in the front. Another tip, do you see how quiet this little girl is? Have something to occupy their time. It's important when it comes to keeping my daughter still and even her looking forward. I have right now her watching Peppa Pig, which is her favorite little show. So that works for us. Two things I forgot to mention earlier is it always helps my daughter when I make sure to constantly wash her wipe her face during the washing process, so as to not let any water, shampoo, or conditioner go past her eyebrow. The other thing is when you see me combing, whether detangling or dry combing, I'm working my way from the bottom of the hair and detangling up the hair. So I never want to pull, I never want to tug. That would be a quick way to get your toddler whining and uncomfortable and not wanting to let you finish. So just food for thought. That's actually the end of the commentary. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.